Most word problems require a figure, and this one is no different. So here's our lake. Point A is on the opposite side from point B, and it shows us that point C is 81 meters from point A. So we're going to put 81 meters here. Then we need the path across the lake from A to B. Then if we wanted to complete this triangle, we would put this third side on, and we would not make it dashed. There we go. Now, they also tell us that the angle BAC is 102 degrees. And that angle ACB is 49 degrees. So now, it would be really nice if we could do the law of sines or the law of cosines, but we are not set up for that. However, because this is a triangle, all triangles have 180 degrees, and we're only missing one angle. So if you start with 180 and you use up 102 degrees at angle A, and you use up 49 degrees at angle C, that means that you have 29 degrees to use at angle B. So we're going to make this 29 degrees. Okay, and we're supposed to be finding the distance from A to B. So that would be right here. This distance right here, we'll call it D. So now we can use the law of sines, because if you look, you have information that you want with a side across from a known angle, and you are given information about an angle and the side across from it. So the law of sines is what will work here. And because we want to find D, I'm going to put that on top, and it's going to be divided by the sine of the angle opposite. So it's going to be divided by the sine of 49. And then that's going to equal the same ratio as this one where we know all the information. So we'll put the 81 on top, and across from that is an angle of 29. So we do the sine of 29. Now, to solve for D, we're going to multiply both sides by the sine of 49. And it makes this go away. And so now we just put this on our calculator. We do 81 times the sine of 49 and hit equals, then divide by the sine of 29. And I get that this is 126.09. Oh, and make sure your calculator is in the degrees mode, not radians. Be sure it's in degrees. And so it says round to the nearest whole meter. So this answer would be 126 meters. And the problem is solved.